जहां पर 2017 में ब्रिटिश पर्यटक की दुष्कर्म के बाद हत्या की बात, जिस मामले में मडगांव के कोर्ट ने विकट भगत को दोषी ठहरा दिया है। कोर्ट के इस फैसले पर पीड़िता की मां ने कहा कि परिवार के लिए बड़े राहत और समाधान की बात है। वहीं दोषी विकट भगत को 17 फरवरी को सजा सुनाई जाएगी। कोर्ट के आदेश के बाद बचाव पक्ष के वकील एडवोकेट अरुण ब्रास से डेसा ने कहा कि विकट भगत को धारा 302 हत्या, 376 बलात्कार और 201 सबूत नष्ट करने के तहत दोषी ठहराया गया है। वहीं अब सभी की निगाहें सजा के ऐलान पर हैं। देखना है भगत को कितनी सजा मिलती है।
The judgment was pronounced that he has been convicted under section 302, 376 and 201. Now arguments were heard on the point of sentence and the matter is kept on Monday.
That case is convicted because this case went on for 8 years. In between there was a COVID break also, so there was the rhythm was broken during the trial, and there were many judges also got changed because of transfers and all. PPs are also changed. So, but all the PPs who are part of this prosecution all worked very hard, and we also had to work very hard to produce the witnesses because it was a long period. The trial went on for 8 years. So in between, he had applied for bail also. At that time also we had to fought very hard, and Honorable High Court has rejected his bail applications also, and directions were given to dispose this case, and it has ended in a conviction, which is a great thing.
Convicted on for section 376, which is rape, as well as 302, which is murder. The matter has been argued on sentencing. The circumstances related to the possible reduction of sentence or a leniency or the maximum sentence. So that will be decided by the Honorable Court on Monday morning, right, on that. I would like to say that this case being a case based on circumstantial evidence, a lot of work has been done by the investigating officer, Mr. Prabhu Desai.
और अब रुक करते प्रयागराज महाकुंभ का, जहां पर श्रद्धालुओं का महा रिकॉर्ड बन गया है। महाकुंभ में अब तक 50 करोड़ से ज्यादा